Greetings! Last time we learned about goods assembly. Today we are going to take a look at the disassembly. Let's go! Let's assume that we discovered 5 protection kits that are faulty. We decided to disassemble them and return the faulty components to the supplier. Relative costs of components in the protection kits are the following: helmets 45%, elbow pads 33%, and knee pads 22%. The disassembly of goods is recorded in the document named Goods Assembly, Disassembly, in the same way as assembly of goods. Let's start by creating a disassembly order. To do this, go to Warehouse and Delivery, Assembly Disassembly Orders, and click Create New. In the Main tab, set Company to SBS Manufacturing. Set Business Transaction to Disassembly into Components. Set Warehouse to SBS Central Warehouse. Next, you need to specify the goods you want to disassemble in the Products field. Select Protection Kit here. Set Quantity to 5 packs. And Supply to Ship. All done here. Now you need to list the kit components. This is done in the Components tab. Click Fill in with components to select each component. After that, change the status of the document to For Completion and click Post and Close. Next, we are going to create the Goods Assembly Disassembly document on the basis of the disassembly order. Let's check the document once again. That's right. We need to specify the cost share in the Components tab. As you remember, relative costs of the components are the following: helmets 45%, elbow pads 33%, and knee pads 22%. Set status to Assembled, Disassembled, and click Post and Close. Now let's see what we achieved. Go to Warehouse and Delivery, Warehouse Reports, and open the report named Goods and Warehouses List. Select checkbox named Details Up to Recorder. Set filters by warehouse and by product like this. Set warehouse to SBS Central Warehouse. Products included in the list: elbow pads, helmet, knee pads, and protection kit. Click Generate to view the result of our assembly and disassembly. The report shows the result of the following operations: purchase, assembly, and disassembly. Today we learned how to create disassembly orders and goods disassembly documents. Thank you and see you soon.